Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a little river adventure, and in today's video we're going to do some authentic coconut drops and a little jerk chicken, so stay tuned. Putting up the coconut now, so I'm going to go ahead and get the fire started. I'm going to go ahead and add some water to the pot, about 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to add my coconut to the water.
Tell us I ginger too, man, so you do it like this. That's big boy, yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and get some ginger shred. I'm gonna go ahead and add my ginger to my coconut now and let it boil down with the coconut. So when it goes down to a mixture and all of the water come out and evaporate out of it, I'm gonna go ahead and add all. Go ahead and add.
How do you look?
They look nice, yes.
Scrape out, that's how you can make it.
Alright, so this is the end result of the drops. They're looking so nice. Look at this. Nice and golden. So this is Story. This is Ricky from Island Adventure, and this is RJ. I'm gonna pull up my lap. Checking guys. We have Island Adventure on board today. So Island Adventure. So we're going. What's on the menu today?
Jerk chicken festival.
Alright, you hear that
and you know,
guys?
the food chicken and street food and a normal food, you know, so when I hear jerk chicken and a normal jerk chicken.
Alright. So we give the chicken a touch of all of the season them.
So the complete.
Look on that.
You have to use letter complete, you know, because it's more expensive.
So we have our blended jerk season, our complete,
Pimento here, nice.
our chicken season, our Maggi, and our garlic powder.
You can cut it. You see magic here now.
So this blended season is the magic to all the jerk chicken. So we are rubbing the season of the chicken now.
And look here.
We are moisturize the chicken.
You cut up here so you know the season can soak in them part here. And then rubbing it up. Chicken boy. Very cold and weak though. Unless you can hold one whole chicken. Put one whole chicken for area, but the chicken are big. Yeah. What is it, Tanisha? Dumpling or...
We make some festival. So you know, so you have cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And you're good to go. I just finished making the festival dough, so I'm gonna let it rest for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my festival. Chicken is coming on really good. Soon finish now. So we're dipping it in the secret sauce and putting it back on the grill. They even get festive now, man. People take their little time and are rolling. Festival in the park. ladies them are checking in the party.
Don't go get that beverage.
But kuya. Jesus kuya. One of them belly boss.
Alright, come on, bless up.
Check in. Festival finished fine now. Look at it. Nice and crispy. The river vibes nice. The Tory here and little Kelani. We enjoy ourselves at the river and cooking some nice food. And the river is so peaceful today. It's not that crowded, so we can get to enjoy ourselves and eat some good food and good vibes. Jerk chicken up and running. Look nice already and they're not finished yet. And here is my little Kelani. Hi Kelani. Kelani, you're not talking to mommy? The tone of the river is so calm and relaxing. That is it, guys. As we come to the end of the video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.